Hi, hello guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this short video tutorial, I will be showing you guys some simple tools that you can use when you're doing your tutorials or video presentation. Check this out guys, if you're using a Movavi software, you can download it for free and use these simple tools for your video tutorial content. Without any further ado, let's do this. So now we're on a Movavi editing software. So from here, we're going to record our computer screen, and I'm going to show you guys how you can use the tools that I'm using when you're doing your tutorial or when you're doing your presentation. There's some tools that very helpful that you can use using Movavi software at the same time while you're recording your computer screen. So from here, I'm going to launch record computer screen, which is here. So now it will pop up in this corner, or you can always put wherever you want. Okay, but I'm just gonna uh, let it stay here. I just wanna let you know, guys, that you can put this wherever you want. So here we're going to click the video. Okay, so once you click the video, it will give you these guidelines. Okay, so now I'm going to just from here to the top to the bottom because I want to share all of the screen. But you can do half, it's all up to you guys. You can always resize it. And then here, as you see, there is a keyboard here. So all the keystrokes, all the keyboard shortcuts, if you want to use this. And this one, the highlighter, just click this one if you want to highlight your cursor. And here also, you can always highlight it if you want to. All right, so now here at the bottom, you will see there is a webcam. Just make sure that your webcam is on, your microphone, your audio, and here is the settings. And here is with this red button, when you click this one, the recording will start, okay? So this setting, it helps you to reduce your noise. So it's a noise reduction, okay? So let's just leave it like that. And now when I click this video, oh, okay, so since I'm not using a camera here, I'm just gonna continue without the camera and it will give you a countdown. So now here, so once you have the countdown here, then you can now use these tools there at the bottom. I see there is a pen here, but this pen, you can always use this pen. So like for example, you want to click this one, click the square shape, and then you can choose the color that you want. So if you want red, just click the red, and it will give you a red lines for your shape or rectangle or square. But you can always change the color, whatever color you want for your shape. All right, and you can also use this one at the bottom, so you can adjust the thickness of the lines that you want. It's always you can adjustable, right? You can always adjust the thickness of the square. And this one, the line up, this is the one that you can make a line, and of course you can always adjust the thickness of this line into your own, like that. Okay, and then you can always change the color, whatever color you want for your lines. And here is the other one. This is the circle. Well, if you want to make a circle, or if you are pointing very important things in your presentation, you can use these tools. And this other pen is just a writing, so if you want to write something, then if you have a writing board, well, it's more precise than using cursor. Okay, so after this, you can also use this one, this camera. Just click this one and it will pop up again. So if you want to explain this part of your presentation, well, I'm going to, yes, so now I'm going to take all of the screen so everybody can see. And here at the bottom, here is the editor, here is the scrolling screenshot, this one, and here is where you can download and share. For the editor, click the editor and you will see here on the left side, there are so many tools that you can use also. So here is the adjustment on how you want it to, how thick or thin that you want to use for your pens. Here are the shapes that you want. There we have a square, we have a circle, and we have this, like for example, I want to use this one, and here you can change the color that you want, and then now you can create a you know, a rectangle or square which is not very sharp into the in the corner like what you see here. And you can always change the color of those wherever you want. And now here is the next one is the highlighter. Okay, if you want to highlight something, you can always use this like this, and you can also change the color for the highlights that you want. Okay, this is the highlight, and this is the lines. Okay, so if you want to change the settings, if you want a little bit more thinner, or if you want thicker, you can just use this adjuster here at the bottom. All right, and the arrow also, if you want to find very important, topic, you can always use this arrow, and you can also change the color that you want, and you can also adjust how thick or thin you want for your pointers. And then here there is a text. So if you want to write something in your presentation, you can also use this. Here you can see there is a font. Well, you can just play with it, or what kind of font do you want, the size of your text, the background, the outline, and the text. If you want to put the background like this, you can just and then write the text like you want. Like, for example, I'm going to type text, and there you go. So you can always adjust this one, and you can always change the color of the text that you want, or the background of the text that you want to. Okay, here's the outline. Then you can just play with it, which one you likes best. All right, so here are some, just a few of the tools, but this is very, very helpful, especially if you are explaining something or doing some tutorials using Movavi. Here are some tools that I want to share with you guys for those of you who might not know it. But if you know this one, it is very, very helpful for those who are doing some tutorials or explanatory presentations. All right, so once you've done with this, if you want to save your screenshot, if you want to share it, you can get a link. You can share it to other social media. You can email to someone, or you can share it to your Google Drive, right? So once you've done with that, then you are we're gonna save this. And if you want to already save it, so if you want to go back to Movavi, to edit this one, all we have to do is just we're going back to our Movavi software, and we're going to click this new project. So once you finish your recording, your screen recording, and if you want to edit it, just go to this new project. So here are the timelines. Okay, so here where you put your background music. So if you want to put background music, if you want to put some other additional tracks, well, you can use this timeline for editing. So you're gonna add the files, click the files, and it will give you this to where you save your files. So then once you finish that, you can just drag here and start editing.